Hello everyone. Ever looked at a time series graph and felt like you were staring at a tangled mess? You're not alone. Raw time series data can be super noisy, making it tough to see the real story. But what if I told you there's a simple way to reveal all those hidden trends even in the most chaotic datasets? Well, good news. Spotfire 14.5 comes packed with an incredible feature, the time series smoothing function. This tool is a game changer for cutting through the noise and making your data instantly more interpretable.
Let me tell you exactly what I mean. I've got a real-world oil production dataset here, tracking different wells over time. We have our time column in days and metrics like gas volume, oil volume, and water volume. If I plot the water volume for each well against time, you can see just how noisy and difficult this line graph is to understand. It's hard to tell what exactly is happening. But watch what happens when I apply the time series smoothing function. Suddenly, the chaotic line transforms into something much more interpretable. You can clearly see the underlying trend emerging, even with all that initial noise. Pretty cool, right? Now let's dive in and I'll show you step by step how you can smooth any time series data in Spotfire. First, I'll start by plotting the oil volume against time using a simple line chart. This is our raw data. Next, I'll navigate to the Analytics flyout and select Time Series Smoothing. In the column to smooth, I'll select Oil Volume, and now for the smoothing method, Spotfire offers three powerful options. Simple Exponential, this applies exponential weighting to observations, giving more importance to your most recent data. Great for quick insights into current trends. Friedman's Supersmoother, this uses adaptive linear filtering. It's fantastic for handling data with varying levels of noise. And Locally Estimated Scatterplot Smoothing. It combines multiple regression models for local smoothing. This is your go-to for capturing those trickier nonlinear trends in your data. For example, I'll select Exponential. Then in smoothing level, I'll arbitrarily choose 0.2. You want to experiment with this parameter for your specific dataset to find the best fit. Finally, in the time series index column, I'll specify my time column. And to really see the magic, I'll now overlap the smoothed version with our original noisy column. Look at that difference. You can now clearly identify the underlying pattern, even with all the initial data volatility.
So if you're working with time series data in Spotfire, give the time series smoothing function a try. It's an incredibly powerful tool for making your analysis clearer and more impactful. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more Spotfire quick tips, and let me know in the comments if there are any features you'd like me to cover.